Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Asana for workflow automation in your US business. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Asana website at www.asana.com. Click on the Get Started button to begin the sign up process. You can either sign up with your email or continue with Google. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation message from Asana. Follow the link in the email to confirm your account. Once confirmed, log into your Asana account using your credentials. You will be greeted with a welcome screen prompting you to create your first project. Choose a project template that best fits your workflow needs. Adjust the project settings, such as the name and description. Add team members by entering their email addresses in the designated field. Now, it's time to configure your workflow automation. Navigate to the project dashboard and select the Automate tab on the top menu. Explore the various automation options available. Consider using rules such as task assignments, due date notifications, and status updates. To create a new automation rule, click on Create Rule. Select a trigger for the rule, such as when a task is moved to a specific section. Then choose the action that you want to automate. For example, you can automate assigning the task to a specific team member. Once you've set the desired trigger in action, click Save. Repeat this process to add more automation rules as needed. After setting up your workflow automation, it's a good idea to test each rule. Create a sample task to see if the automation performs as intended. Make necessary adjustments based on the testing results. Next, train your team on how to use Asana effectively. Organize a brief meeting to demonstrate the essential features. Encourage team members to familiarize themselves with the platform. Check in regularly to address any questions or concerns. Monitor the workflows and automation for efficiency over time. Collect feedback from your team to identify areas for improvement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.